In today's video, I'll be doing a review of RabbitLoader. RabbitLoader is a WordPress plugin that reduces website load times using content minification, lazy loading, and CDN caching. It can help you boost your page speed insight score for every URL without requiring any coding skills or technical expertise. You can also monitor your website score and metrics right from your WordPress dashboard and start seeing results within hours of installing RabbitLoader. Also, I'm doing a giveaway of an AI writing software. For that, you just have to comment down below on why you like RabbitLoader and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into RabbitLoader. I'll leave a link to the lifetime deal in the description below this video. So this is RabbitLoader and this is available for a lifetime deal of just $59 and AppSumo. And in this you get 60 days money back guarantee. So talking about the features, so this is basically a WordPress plugin and that is also WooCommerce compatible. Then you get PageSpeed score booster. Then about the fold, CSS for every page, JavaScript and CSS optimization. Then we have this lazy loading of below of the fold images and videos, image auto conversion to WebP format. And here, as you can see in the license tier 1, you get this like 100 GB monthly traffic bandwidth and you can add up to 5 websites. And in $109 plan, you get 250 GB monthly traffic bandwidth and rest is unlimited here. And in $189, you get 500 GB monthly traffic bandwidth and rest is unlimited. So if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to go for this $59 plan. So I've just opened this plugin here. So as you can see, this is the home screen here, home. And here as you can see, so this is the page speed score of my website. And the average is around 89 out of 100. So once we click on this URL performance, so as you can see the performance by URL as well. So mostly on the desktop is 100 and in the mobile, as you can see, it's around 92, 93 here. Also talking about the images here. So as you can see, RabbitLoader was able to optimize all of the images on my website. So the original size was around 39 MB. So it has optimized to 18.3 MB. So that's 53% site improvement. So as you can see, average load time before optimization, it was 662.6 milliseconds. So after optimization is 339.7 milliseconds. So that's very good improvement. So as you can see, so this PNG is 22% faster, 27%. This is 91% faster. So this is incredibly good. So let's go to this critical CSS here. So as you can see, so even the CSS has been optimized. It's optimized around 99%. So as you can see, this is 2.2 MB and current the optimized CSS page is just 17.6 KB. So that's phenomenal. And let's talk about the CDN issue usage here. So as you can see, so this is all the quota which is used, that is 0.33 and 99 GB is still left and next reset will be on 29 September here. So as you can see here, so now let's go to the demographics here. So here you'll be able to see country wise here. These are top 10 countries, Australia according to the usage. So as you can see, all the CDN bandwidth used here. Also you can make some changes in the settings here. I think overall this RabbitLoader is a very good optimization plugin here. You can definitely use this to improve your page score. Now I'll just show you the result here. So this is gtmetrics.com. So as you can see, the performance currently it's 85%. So how much time it's taking to fully load, it's 3.6 seconds. So initially when I had not use this RabbitLoader plugin, so it was around 70%. So this has improved a lot. And talking about the page speed insights here, so as you can see here, the performance is 95. So initially when I was not using RabbitLoader, it was around 85. So this has improved a lot. And also in the mobile you can see the score is 93, and in the desktop it's 95. So here you'll be able to see all the metrics here, like FCP here, speed index, then LCP here. So here you'll be able to see the difference. So what I'll recommend, you just try it, okay, and it has a lifetime deal. You should definitely go for that, and it has also 60-day money back guarantee. Okay, so if you don't like it, you can just ask for a refund. Overall, I am really impressed by this WordPress plugin because it has a lot of really unique and very useful and intuitive features that allow you to optimize load times for your web pages and assets to improve your user experience and core web vitals on Google. With the plugin's help, you'll be able to get a page speed score as high as 100 across all your web pages. I will definitely recommend going ahead and grabbing this. And as always, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.